Hey there, future trailblazers. Are you tired of pulling all nighters, drawing in the assignments, or just feeling overwhelmed by studies? Good news! AI isn't just for scientists or coders anymore. It's here to be a study buddy, planner, tutor, and even your writing coach. Let's kick things off with Notion AI and Outer.ai. These tools turn messy classes notes and long lectures into sharp, searchable summaries. Forget scribbling, just focus and let AI do the writing. Next up, Grammarly and Quillbot. Whether you're writing an essay or an email to your professor, these tools help fine tune your grammars, suggest better words, and even rephrase entire paragraphs. Meet your virtual tutor, ChatGPT or Copilot. Just pop in your question and boom! You get bedside explanation, math help, or even practice quizzes. It's like having a study group that's always awake. Got deadlines flying at you? Tools like Todoist, Notion, and Trello help you organize your tasks, plan your week, and stop procrastinating like a pro. Want stunning slide in minutes? Try Tom or Canva Magic Design. They use AI to build decks and visual faster than you can say. PowerPoint fatigue. AI isn't replacing your hustle, it's helping you work smarter. So go ahead, give this tool a try, and unlock your academic superpowers.